Let's practice a sun salutation together so you can then practice them on your own. And remember to be kind to your body as you move and breathe the whole time, whether it's instructed or not. On your inhale, raise your fingers up towards the ceiling and stretch. As you exhale, bend your knees, push your sit bones back and fold forward over your legs. When you inhale, press your hands against your shins, straighten your arms and your spine, roll your shoulders back. When you exhale, fold in, maybe a bend in the knees again, place your fingers on the floor. As you inhale, lift your right leg up behind you and extend. As you exhale, step back, find a lunge position with your hands underneath your shoulders. Next time you're inhaling, step to plank pose. So knees can lower right away. Set up your hands, fingers spread wide. Knees can stay lifted or be lowered the whole way down. On your next inhale, press the tops of your feet and your hips into the floor. Roll your shoulders back for cobra. As you exhale, release that. Press up onto your knees. As you inhale, tuck your toes. Exhale and press back to down dog. As you inhale, lift your right leg up behind you. As you exhale, whole body helps. Step that foot through to your right hand. Be kind there. On your inhale, step forward and stretch. As you exhale, fold forward over your legs. Bend your knees, keep breathing here. Rest your belly onto your thighs. Put your hands up onto your hips. Squeeze your elbows behind you. Look forward and then use your legs to lift you all the way up. Release your hands as you exhale. When you inhale, move into the next stretch upwards. As you exhale, fold forward over your legs. When you inhale, come up halfway, lengthen your spine. And when you exhale, fold in again, plant your fingertips. Inhale and lift your left leg behind you. Exhale as you land on your toes, hands come underneath your shoulders. Inhale and step to plank pose. Doesn't matter how you get there, just get there. And then you can press forward and lower down. So remember that one can be with your knees as well. Don't worry about keeping your knees off the floor. On your inhale, toes reach back, heart reaches forward. Press your hips into the floor for cobra. Exhale to release. Inhale, press up onto your knees. Exhale, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Inhale and lift your left leg up behind you. Exhale, whole body helps step that foot through. Inhale as you step forward. Exhale as you fold. And then you can do it the same way as the first time or just bend your legs and stand up with a big inhale. Exhale and the hands can come to the heart if they lifted. There you go. Have fun playing. Let me know how it goes.